Hello, 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 my lovely friends. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I thought I'd share with you, as it is kind of a cool, kind of wet day, but still a beautiful day in the summertime here in the west coast of BC. A little extra view here before I start continuing my chat. What do you think? You like it? Let's carry on, shall we? Okay. Now, alrighty, that's a little bit about where I live. New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada is part of where I live and breathe, and because I'm on the 5th floor of my little apartment. So I thought I would share a bit of that before I get started on my continuing series on tips and strategies on online marketing. And of course, more in-depth discussion today, a presentation about our successful solution banners and how they work. So let's get started, shall we, to the next section. Alrighty, I'm back. How y'all doing? I hope you missed me. Okay, let's continue on in-depth series about successful solution method. And today, of course, like I shared before, we're going to talk about our banners and what they're used for. And let's continue on, shall we? I have a bit of a PowerPoint presentation I want to share, plus a little bit of video screening as well. So bear with me. I'm still new doing the video screening, but I'm getting better at it. So let's continue on, okay? Alrighty, let's video screen here. I want to do this one here. I hope you can see it well, because I'm kind of excited to share this today. Successful solution banners and how we use them. Okay. Important income producing activities with successful solution method. Next one. We're going to talk about payment banners, side banners, and webinar banners. Those are the 3 banners we use on a weekly basis. Okay. Now let's talk about the first banner. Payment banners sent to successful solution method members who have earned for doing daily tasks. Yes, they are. In each successful solution, member shares the banners on the top storyline, because you don't want to use your timeline because that's kind of spamming. In each successful solution method, member shares the banner in the Facebook group as well. That you can do because you're sharing on the Facebook group. You're giving value of how much you're making and the proof. And these banners are proof that successful solution method has proven results indeed. Now the side banners are interesting as well. They're put on the side underneath their bio. Professional created and posted underneath each successful solution member's bio on their Facebook page, on each member's page, their own individual personal page. Now used to share successful solution method platform opportunity with Facebook link above, which means you're sharing the link to our Facebook group. So attract organic leads to join successful solution Facebook page. Well, group actually. All part of attraction marketing indeed, right? You're attracting organic leads to come join our group to see what the buzz is all about, this wonderful community of successful solution method. Now, number 3, we also have the webinar banners. And there's 2 webinar banners. There are that are created, professional done, and bright and bold. Now the first one we put out on our storyline on Tuesday mornings, and they're posted on the day before, because our webinars are done. We have our webinars on every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, and 4 p.m. Pacific time. And they are to remind a target audience we are having a webinar. Now, the second banner also was posted on Wednesday that morning in the storyline as well. Another reminder we're having a webinar, and these webinar banners are used to give the target audience an opportunity to join our webinar explaining our amazing online marketing platform. Indeed, it's wonderful. I love these ones. I'm going to share with you one on my small examples, and I'm going to go to our Facebook group to share some more banners, but this is the one I earned last week. It says, congratulations, I earned $500 completing daily tasks. Ask me how. And the second one is our side banner, which is basically the ones that are created for the members. But you also, this one here I've had created by our leader, and she has some of them professionally done, even more so with my face on, which is actually much better because that's my color. And these are our new webinar banners that we post on Tuesday mornings. I have others I will share, as well as the webinar for the day, but I have some newer ones. Now let's stop the share for just a second. I'm going to share to my Successful Solution group. I want to show you more of the banners and how they're used. Okay, let's do another screen share here to me. Okie dokie. And let's share it. Go over here to, actually I want to share my side banner here. You see how it's been used. It's underneath my bio, because there's my bio pic. And then this right here is our Facebook group link. Now let's go to the Facebook group. I might as well do that, use my link, right? And you'll see it. Give me a second. You know, Zoom is a little bit slow, guys, but it's a good one. And here's a Successful Solution page. Excellent, right? I'm very excited about this page because it really shares the beauty of our beautiful community. We are always constantly engaging, sharing our banners, sharing what we've earned, sharing a lot of wonderful things. And here's one person here. There we go, Tricia. She just earned $500. Somebody probably purchased one of her good packages and she earned $500 here. Excellent. I already said love. And this one here is Kevin Nosworthy. As you can see, he just earned $150 as well as $50. These are other banners they're sharing on Facebook page. Let's see if I can get some more here. Or otherwise, I'll go to the photo page because it does really well. It takes for a few minutes for it to be intact here. But I tell you what, I'll go to the photo section and give you a variety of the banners I want to share with you right now. Okay, let's go. Here you go. These are the photos of our banners as well. This 250, 150, and every time somebody, of course, every time you share a photo, a banner photo, of course, it goes to a photo page, and we have quite a few. These are the older ones, but they're still used. And here's some more here. Now, I want to share with you our newest version of our webinar banners that are fantastic. Let's get started here, shall we? These are beautiful, guys. I love them. So here's the newest ones. As you can see, it says, come find out how we're earning without selling. A beautiful banner that we use. These are the ones we use the night before on Tuesday. And this one I like because I like the pink, you know, and the purple. And then it says Zoom. And this one is another one as well. And here is the ones that we use that day. It says tonight, webinar banners here. These are beautiful, beautiful ones we're using. These are our newest ones that I'll be using now. Okay, so let's come down a bit here. Okie dokie. Now let me see if I can keep going. I want to show you our side banners. It takes a little while because we have quite a few banners here. As you can see, there's quite a few because every time we share, maybe I can go into the file section. Maybe it'll be faster in the file. How about the file section? I'll go to the file section if they're faster, because otherwise it'll take forever to go down the list, right? Let's go to the file section here, and I'll share it with you. And the file section is unique here. Oh, wait a minute. No. I want to go to the units. These are our units. Because we go through each unit to make sure we know what we're doing. Announcements, additional traffic, one-on-one meetings, webinar banners. No, I don't want to do the commission banners, digital postcards, payment banners, featured banners. This might be it. So here you go. These are the featured banners that we use. Okay, beautiful, aren't they? I used this one once or twice until I got my personalized one. And these are ones that, when you're a member, you can use these ones as well. These are for you to use, unless you want to pay a little bit to get the really personalized ones done, which I did. And you would ask our leader, Amanda Ryan, she would get somebody to do them for you. Very good, aren't they? But these are still very good. When you're a member and a paid member, these are provided for you as well. So all in all, you'll still get a banner to put on your side as well to share the beauty of Successful Solution Method. I love the yellow one too. I used a couple of them before I got one paid. Okay, that is our beautiful featured banners. Okie dokie. Now let's go back to screen share as I want to share the rest of my. And let me see here. Oh, a second here, guys. Oh dear. Looks like I made a bit of a mistake here. Give me a second here. I might have to go back here. You see that? I hope you see the presentation. I want to go to the end here. Banners are key tasks we do in Successful Solution Method. When you apply these tasks daily, you are going to attract the right target audience to your page. More eyeballs creating organic leads to your business, resulting in consistent payment daily, payouts daily, and successful marketing online. So that is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, my lovely friends. Screen share. Okie dokie. I hope you saw all that because I'm going through a bit of an issue here. Learning how to do proper screen share so everyone can see it. So my lovely friends, this is my presentation today. I hope you enjoyed it on sharing about our banners we use. And they are important banners we use because we're sharing and we're understanding and we're giving good proof, especially with the payment banners, that we are earning consistently on a daily basis in this beautiful task-based program, Successful Solution Method. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope you do. Now, down below in my description will be Successful Solution Method link. Join our community. Join the beautiful community, whether you're new, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, marketer, and you really want to have the proper ABC instructions how to go further into your success, to become more successful on your online marketing journey. Yes, or if you're a newbie, it's excellent. Come join our team. You will be so surprised how beautiful this community is. As well as I'm going to leave the link below, our Facebook group too. Come join in the conversation, see our wonderful webinars, see our beautiful testimonials, and learn some good stuff too. It's amazing. As well as I'll leave my Facebook page link down below. Come visit me. Let's have a conversation. Let's get to know one another as entrepreneurs as we are. Let's be friends. And I have more information I want to share with you as well today. I hope I gave you some good enrichment as well as value today on this, my presentation on the Boundary Successful Solution Method. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a comment as well as click on the bell so you can see, so you can get another notification of my next video that's coming up at the next couple of days. And like I like to wonderfully say, see you on the other side to success, my beautiful entrepreneurs. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.